It's time for a new season!
Ah, stupid clock! You're supposed to ring me at 7! Now how am I gonna explain this absence?
Pin Pouch, Digital Alarm Clock is no ordinary clock. They are your host. You can talk to them to receive challenges, submit votes, or simply have a pleasant discussion.
Correct! And a new season is a new prize!
Oh, okay. What a beautiful, courageous creature. I could use a familiar like that.
Pardon!
Ow.
First, let's all make a song for new teams. Okay, that's fine. Start your first challenge. Your first challenge is to... I'm out of ideas.
Let's make one for you, Clock, to show our appreciation for your excellent hosting.
Anthony Salot. For this challenge, I'll let you say a round of wins challenge at the end. Immediately, the other team wins stays in initiative. Now start!
Sigh, another stupid challenge. Wasn't one season depressing enough?
Don't despair, Speedster. We're just now setting off on a beautiful journey together. I'm sure it will be a wonderful experience. Even better than our 1268th National Green Valley baseball game. What a hoot that was.
I mean, I don't know, it was okay, I guess.
The 1268th National Green Valley baseball game had the lowest ratings of any National Green Valley event in 87 years. Impressive.
Say, that gives me an idea. Let's create a new sport and make it a challenge.
Concept approved. I will now enable my artificial intelligence. Generating new sport.
And now we wait.
Okay, group mates, we need a great challenge. Any ideas?
I'd like to do a cooking competition.
Let us slay a dragon.
Hide and seek.
Everyone quiet! I've got something! We're gonna make a pop quiz!
I've met with a terrible sect, haven't I?
I'm sorry. I'll just go.
So, who wants to do the first question?
Give me the pen, Pouch.
I'm just worried that I'm messing things up for my team. I mean, I couldn't even come up with a good challenge idea.
It's okay, Detsu. Little Hedge's just a big jerk. I like your idea.
Really?
Yes, I love to cook. I sell cookies and ramen and mochi back home, and they are so kawaii. Maybe I can even make them for us someday.
That's really nice of you. Thanks. I think I'm ready to come back to the team now.
Understand, Detsu. Now come on. There's no place for us to leave, yo.
There.
What happened here?
Untie us!
Too busy fixing your idiotic quiz. My sincerest apologies.
Talk about a sharp tongue.
Generation complete. Here's your new sport. Pickleball. Pickleball is a paddle sport where players must use smooth-faced paddles to hit balls over a net into their opponent's side. A winner is decided when one player reaches 11 points with a 2-point lead.
Unique. I like it.
It's okay, but it needs some pizzazz. How about playing with 10-foot oars instead? Perhaps they might also be on fire to add some real danger to our wonderful sport.
And you have to play at night to represent the festering darkness within the player's souls.
A taller net would probably make things harder. You need to add 54,017 ball.
Wow, are you sure they can handle that?
I am sorry, but I cannot make any additions that could pose a threat to the players to this concept. May I suggest shin guards?
Bruh.
Time is up, please. Report back to the main showground for Eugene.
Oh crap! Give me the supplies! I'll draw it out quick!
Took you long enough. You old heads better prepare to get schooled.
Whatever.
What is this?
Our challenge is for the contestants to do a quiz and get the most questions correct. I know, it's genius.
Oh, the quiz is written. The red thing?
A perversion of the benign. Harrowing, isn't it?
Not really. Rather, some unique creation.
Yeah, we're absolutely sure you're gonna love it.
Really, it was a mistake. Contazo y una quiz. You open your nation.
No!
Reverse. This is the open discretion and cast you this body system. Never vote responsibly. And don't believe it on the regret.
You came to me, you smiled, I looked into your eyes, and I knew I'd be loving you well. Then you touched my hand, and I knew April dreams could come true.
Hey man, if it's any consultation, your idea sounded cool to me.
Thanks, dude. I know you've always got my back.